A few weeks ago, we were very pleased to hold the first community engagement event for the Bryn Here development, a project that upon completion will bring 144 new homes to this highly sought after part of the county. The drop-in session was an opportunity for anyone with an interest in the development to come and meet with members of our housing service and to raise their concerns, share their thoughts and their aspirations at this very early stage. We were absolutely delighted with the response, and we compiled a considerable number of comments and opinions on the day, which have now been passed on to the design team for the Bryn Here project.
It's been a very, very positive day. There is tremendous feedback and a lot of people have been in and out speaking to the different officers from Pembrokeshire County Council all day today. It's about community, it's about keeping our community here within the town and the town in the area. It's been a very, very successful day. Thank you.
A second event will be held in June, where those designs will be available to view. And it will be another opportunity for those who wish to come and speak with the council housing officers. Here is some information on how to apply for a home on the Bryn Here development. So that concludes the latest update on Bryn Here. We'll be back shortly to update on some other elements of our highly anticipated development programme. Thank you very much for listening.